northeastern Calhoun County in east central Alabama, northeastern Cleburne County in east central Alabama, southeastern Cherokee County in northeastern Alabama, until 12:45 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 12:08 a.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Piedmont, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated location. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Piedmont, Pleasant Gap, Knighton's Crossroads, Borden Springs, and Spring Garden. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. At midnight, the report from Chattanooga was not available.
Hello to you too, Birmingham.
10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts to around 40 miles an hour. And now the extended forecast. Thursday and Thursday night, clear.
Okay, hold on a second. Give me a second.
Likely 50 miles, highs in the mid-50s, hail, lows in the mid-40s, lightning and increase. Sunday and Sunday night, showers likely, while highs around 60, damage to lows around 40, Monday and Monday night, partly cloudy, highs in the mid-50s.
Trying to check.
Lows in the lower 30s. For more detailed weather, water, and climate information, please visit our website, weather.gov/Atlanta. Visibilities have improved across portions of northeast Georgia. Winds will continue to pick up as a warm front pushes north, helping to mix the fog out. Here is the hazardous weather.
Oh, there we go.
Effective until 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, or 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time in counties. This watch includes the following counties in Cherokee, Alabama. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds. Remain alert for close to the watch area conditions. And while severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert to rapidly changing weather conditions, commercial radio and television outlets, and possible internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Here is the hazardous weather outlook. This hazardous weather outlook is for portions of north and central Georgia. Watch number 3 for tonight. Some strong for the following counties: Cherokee, Alabama. The National Weather Service has issued tornado watch number 4, effective until 6.
Where is it? Where is it? There it is.
In Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Paulding County in northwestern Georgia, southwestern Cherokee County in north-central Georgia, Cobb County in north-central Georgia, southeastern Barlow County in northwestern Georgia, until 2:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 2:06 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Cartersville to Burn Hickory Ridge to near Braswell, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Marietta, Kenton, Cartersville, Dallas, Smyrna, Kennesaw, Woodstock, Ackworth, Holly Springs, Emerson, Braswell, Fair Oaks, Buffington, Hickory Flat, Burnt Hickory Ridge, Kellogg Creek, Red Top Mountain State Park, Lost Mountain Park, Crossroads, and Due West. A tornado watch remains in effect until 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for north central and northwestern Georgia. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, if one is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety inside a sturdy structure such as a basement or small interior room. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-763-4664 to report at NWS Atlanta. At 1 a.m. in Chattanooga, light rain and fog were reported. 58 degrees, dew point 57, relative humidity 97%. Wind southwest at 3 miles an hour.
Oh no.
Severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado is located over Crossroads or near Dallas, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Marietta, Kennesaw, Woodstock, Ackworth, Fair Oaks, Whitewater, Crossroads.
Where's my radio? Where's my freaking radio? Oh. Be right back. Where sirens are going up? Oh my god. We're in it. All sirens are going off. I knew it. Hellstorm 2 is coming out. No doubt about it. Oh boy. It's getting closer. Oh man. Oh boy. Oh, yeah. Wide shot. Yes, please seek shelter immediately. What we got?
The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 36, effective until 3 a.m. Central Daylight Time Thursday. This watch includes the following counties: Cherokee, Alabama. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The national law includes the following: Georgia. In Georgia, remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio, television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 11:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for Calhoun, Eastern Alabama, and Cherokee counties. At 10:52 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Crossville to near
Alright. There we go.
The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Paulding County in northwestern Georgia, Harrison County in northwestern Georgia, Floyd County in northwestern Georgia, Western Gordon County in northwestern Georgia, Polk County in northwestern Georgia, Central Chattooga County in northwestern Georgia, Bartow County in northwestern Georgia, until 1 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:12 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Fullerton to near Abernathy, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Rome, Cartersville, Calhoun, Dallas, Cedartown, Somerville, Buck Canyon, Bremen, Adairsville, Rockmart, EAS, Hiram, Valatusa, Emerson, Aragon, Cave Spring, Kingston, Resaca, Waco, and Braswell. A tornado watch remains in effect until 7 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for north central and northwestern Georgia. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. Intense thunderstorm lines can produce brief tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, it is best to move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. These storms may cause serious injury and significant property damage. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-8667. Tornado watch number 36 remains in effect until 3 a.m. Central Daylight.
That was pathetic. It just ended to the end credits. Just wow. Alright.
The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a flash flood warning for Bartow County in northwestern Georgia, Catoosa County in northwestern Georgia, Chattooga County in northwestern Georgia, Dade County in northwestern Georgia, Floyd County in northwestern Georgia, Gordon County in northwestern Georgia, Murray County in northwestern Georgia, northwestern Polk County in northwestern Georgia, Walker County in northwestern Georgia, Whitfield County in northwestern Georgia, until 6:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:23 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 1.5 inches of rain have fallen, with already saturated soils. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: Doppler radar. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Rome, Dalton, Cartersville, Calhoun, Cedartown, Lafayette, Somerville, Chatsworth, Greenville, Trenton, Fort Oglethorpe, Adelsville, Arley, Chickamauga, Tryon, Vernal, Lookout Mountain, Aragon, Cave Spring. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Turn around, Don T. drowned and
of course, Dante drowned.
most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Please report flooding to your local law enforcement agency when you can do so safely. The flood warning continues for the Conestoga River near Tilton from late Thursday night to Saturday evening. At 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Wednesday, the stage was 13.4 feet. Flood stage is 18 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. The river is expected to rise above flood stage Thursday morning to a crest of 22.9 feet Friday evening.
Yeah.
It will then fall below flood stage late Saturday evening.